Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up 20 CRM Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Then you'll bring to this interface where you're simply going to click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. How to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup that shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on Settings. Under Settings, you're going to enable the Advanced Mode, and you're going to click on APIs and webhooks. Just right here, you're going to click on Create API Key. You're going to enter your API key name. If you wish, you can set an expiring date here. And once you're done, click on Save. There we go, our API key has been generated. So you're simply going to click and copy your API key, head over back to your account, click on Start Setup and paste your API key. Click on Complete Setup. There we go, our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the Launchpad support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.